Okay, so I just received a new Minox 35 ml. I ordered it on eBay. I bought it on eBay. I believe I paid $45 for it, plus shipping, and it just arrived very quickly. Bought it on Sunday, and now it is Thursday, and it's here. So I'm going to open it. I went ahead and ordered a battery for it. This is a 28PXL battery, which should fit it. So let's check it out. Pretty excited. Okay. Seems to be packed quite good. There's some Frankish wine. By the way, I ordered it. It came from Germany. So this is it here. All right, we have some paperwork, I guess. Let's see what this is. So, oh wow. So it looks like there's €1.50 taped to this. Thanks for produce. I hope everything is fine. Best regards. A discount on the shipping costs. Thanks. So he actually gave me back €1.50, and he taped it to the piece of paper here. That is really nice. There's 3 coins, €1.50. And here is the camera. Check it out. It looks like it's packed very well. Okay, we put that aside. Here's the packed in, looks like napkins. Mickey Mouse, always a good sign. Let's check it out. Okay. Unwrap the camera. And there it is, people. There's the camera. A nice, really nice case. It looks like it's in very good condition. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful case. Didn't come with a strap, but I can find a strap. The leather looks almost new. Smells nice. Very nice condition, you can see. All right, let's open it up. Take off the top. Wow. And there is the camera. It looks almost new. The camera looks almost new. I'm going to take apart the case. Case looks almost new, people. Case looks almost new. And there is the Minox 35 ml. Again, it looks practically new, probably because it's always been in the case. There's the bottom. And it goes from, since this is the ml, it goes from 25 to 1600 ISO. Right? Let's open it up. Wow. So my old camera was is a Minox 35 GL. So this is quite an upgrade, and it doesn't have this little release button on top, but that is very cool how it just pops open like that, and then you just pull it open and you have the lens ready to use. So the aperture works nicely, opens and closes completely. I don't know if you can see in the camera. It looks completely clear. Again, this camera looks practically new. Practically new. Let's close that again like that. I really like how it just sort of just pops open like that. When you press it, just kind of pops open. It's very, very nicely made. Wow, beautiful. All right, so that goes like that. Now let's take off the back to see the condition of the camera inside. Pop that up, open. And there's what it looks like inside. And it also looks literally brand new. Like this camera looks like it has never been used. Wow. And again, I believe I paid 45 euros plus around 9 euros for shipping, which I think is a very nice deal. I saw it on eBay and just jumped right away and purchased it. There you go. All right. All right, now for the, it looks like it has, he said it has a battery in it. Let's see, how does this, oh, it just pops out like that. Let's see, let's pull that out. So it has a battery, but it is a 6.2 volt battery, which I don't think is the correct voltage. It's supposed to be 6 volts. So I'm going to go ahead and switch it out for a 6 volt battery. Okay, let me open this. The battery out. Okay. I guess, let's see. Plus goes this way. You just kind of put it on like this. Never use this. My other one has a different kind of battery. My other Minox, so this is new for me. I guess it just slides in like that. Wow. Nice. Okay. And let's see what it looks like inside. Look inside. Wow, it winds perfectly. Wow, this camera is literally brand new. When you press it, it just the winder works so well, so seamlessly, and you can hear the different speeds going. That was slower. That was faster. So you know that the shutter is working well. Let me do a battery check. This little button there is for the battery check, so I'm going to go ahead and try that right now. I press that, you see a little light coming on. So it seems to work perfectly. Let's see if the timer, there's a timer there in the front there. So let's see how that works. I'll turn the timer on and I'll press the button. And there's the picture. Wow. I am really impressed by this camera. So it's got a P program mode, which means it will do the whole thing automatically. It'll do the shutter speed and the aperture automatically. And then it has 2.8 to 16, f16. Focus is manual from 0.9 to infinity, 0.9 meters to infinity, and you basically do it, focus it on your own, guess the distance, and there you have it. This is where you wind the film there, pops up. Again, my Minox 35 ml. ML for memory lock, which means you can press halfway down. It locks the settings, for example, the light meter settings. So the shutter speed will be locked, and then you can move the camera to another place and get a different result if you want to play around with the have more control yourself. So there you have it, my 35 Minox 35 ml, practically brand new condition. Very happy with it, and I'm gonna have fun taking pictures. All right.